If you love smoothies but hate heavy, clunky, hard-to-clean blenders, there's a portable personal option you should check out. I just got my hands on the Blendi Pro Plus, a powerful portable blender that makes fresh, smooth drinks anywhere, at home, in the car, at the gym, or even outdoors. If you're in the market for a personal blender, you've got to see what this one can do. I'll show you what you get in the box, how it all works, and the different ways that you can use it, from smoothies to protein shakes, frozen cocktails, and even crushed ice. I'll also go over the pros and the cons and let you know if Blendi Pro Plus is worth it for you. I would also like to thank Blendi for sponsoring this video by paying me for my time. Let's take a look at the product. In the box, you get a USB-C charging cord and a small cup, and we'll see what that's for in just a sec. A lid is next, followed by the all-in-one fully rechargeable Blendi blender with a 120-watt motorized base, a 17-ounce or 2-cup plastic cup, perfect for a full single serving, and a flip-top sipping lid so you can drink right from the machine. There's also a small lanyard. This is kind of a neat package. Let's see why it's ideal for on-the-go types. Once you blend a drink, you can separate the cup and your drink from the base if you want. Just blend, flip it upside down, and swap the motor base for the lid onto the bottom of the cup. The plastic dome will cover the blade and keep it safe. You can also just use the bottle for drinks and take it anywhere too. And if you put the lid on the blade cover, you've also got a toteable storage cup too, ideal for protein powders, nuts, and seeds. Blendi goes anywhere. Stash it in a backpack pocket and take it to games or the park. If you're on the road, it fits in a standard cup holder. I even used mine in the camper van. With the USB-C cord, you can recharge it easily almost anywhere, yep, like the camper, even with a power bank. It's made to be filled with your ingredients and brought along for the ride. When you're ready, just push that single button to blend your drink. Let's put Blendi here to the test with a few different drinks. I'm starting with a classic smoothie. I blended layered blueberries, spinach, honey, and almond milk, then blended them smooth in just 40 seconds. Blendi Pro Plus was perfect for blending a protein shake as I was leaving the gym. I brought nut milk in the blender, a portion of protein powder in the storage cup, and made myself a no-clump protein shake for the drive home. Want a more grown-up drink? I made a frozen Greyhound using ice cubes and grapefruit juice, and it was crushed perfectly in one cycle. Next, I tried a mint julep, which is really just bourbon, crushed ice, and mint leaves. I can also make a coffee shop-style drink in seconds, just a double shot of espresso with a bit of whipped cream and some ice for a chill pick-me-up. You can even use this blender to make small batches of dips and dressings around the house. Plus, with the cap for the bottle, I can store extra dressing in my fridge easily. Blendi Pro Plus makes every drink in just 3 steps. Add your ingredients, press the button to run it for just 20 seconds, and enjoy your drink straight from the bottle. Why is Blendi only run for 20 seconds at a time? This is on purpose. 20 seconds gives things a thorough blend while then allowing the ingredients to settle a bit to get in better contact with the blade. Hit the power button again until your drink is as smooth as you'd like it. I took Blendi Pro Plus everywhere, to the gym, in the car to fuel me for a long drive, on a dog walk, and even to the golf course. It fits in any cup holder and it's lightweight enough to carry in a bag. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just want a blender at your desk, this thing goes wherever you do. Blendi Pro Plus self-cleans in seconds. Just add water and a drop of soap, press the button, and let it run for 1 cycle. That's it. Keep in mind it shouldn't go in the dishwasher. On a full charge, you should be able to get about 15 blending cycles, and it recharges in about 5 hours. For safety, you can't use Blendi while it's charging. Overall, Blendi Pro Plus delivers way more than I expected. It's small but incredibly powerful, and I love how versatile it is. Let's go over both the pros and the cons. On the pro side, it's compact, powerful, able to pulverize everything from ice cubes to frozen fruit and even leafy greens and sticky purees. Despite its power, it's not overly loud. I appreciate the modular and convertible design. I can take just the bottle or bring the whole blender along, and with its narrow base, it fits everywhere from cup holders to backpacks. With USB-C charging, I can recharge this almost anywhere, whether at home or on the road, and it's got 15 uses per charge. Plus, with one-touch operation, it's ultra easy. Potential downsides? Blendi does clean itself, but it's not dishwasher safe. The blending cup is 17 ounces, perfect for 1, but larger servings might need 2 batches. But neither of those points takes away from the overall effectiveness, and I'm really happy to recommend Blendi Pro Plus to you. You can get one from Blendi.com or from Amazon. Regular price is $59.99. Use code WELCOME on Blendi's website for 15% off at checkout.